Hi, this is Marty for the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the Hawaiian Ti plant. Tea and Ti. Somebody remind me how to say that. My Alzheimer's is sensitive pronunciation is okay. That's the way it said it, isn't it? It's gone. Anyway, I got three versions over here. This is the original pink one, which in the last year or two has finally went to seed. There's my green and pinkish one. It went to seed several years back, and as you can see, it's this one I did a few videos on. I did a leggy video. I could do a leggy video on this. This one got struck by a hurricane several years ago, and you can see all the new shoots from the hurricane effect. And this one over here is the original one, and it's right next to keeping company for my climbing cactus and my climbing orchid plant. So this is what I wanted to show you today for the process of cleaning up. This took the better part of maybe 2 or 3 weeks pulling out weeds. And when I say weeds, I mean weeds. So it's a complex process that I go through. As you can see, everything's fairly cleaned out. I was able to uncover my gingerbread palm, got that little pup going, my white and pink Bougainvillea. I let my grandson cut this back down, a little purple Aloe and that one is the red Bougainvillea, and here's my Aloe Vera cactus, my starfish cactus. And getting back, this is a sword palm, my little guy RJ. I named it to him, and I spent the better part of several hours clearing out all the growth over here so I can clean all the stuff around the base of that. And here's my little stone from my two grandchildren down in Boca. They made me a stone a few years back. I uncovered it. I can clean it up with the hose once I get an extension from my hose. And we'll be cool. And we'll look this way. Kylie and RJ gave this to me a few years back. And I've been there ever since. It's a nice sunny location. Once I cleaned it up, it looked cool. And there was my original coconut palm tree that fell from the earlier hurricanes back. We get 2006, 2005, something like that. And there is a bunch of Hawaiian Ti plants on the bottom there growing. You almost want to play around with it. I believe that's from seeds or possibly the root system just pumping it out. And as we were backing over here, I was able to, last week, get a hold of my soil palmetto. And once I have to get a hold of one of these little small electric or battery powered saw, so this way I can cut those little things, because I'm tired of getting holes in my hands. And this was a tree. It has a nice pretty yellow flowers, but then it gets so dense, so it's going to join the garbage crew once it gets started. And over here is my iris plants, which I just finished cleaning up, and my yucca plant over here, which it's nice, but it's a pain because you have to get all those little fronds out, because they're just, for me, just a pain looking at it. And here's all my soil that I'm sifting. What I do is I go through the process of sifting, taking all the weeds off after cleaning up my iris plants, settled in my Washingtonian plants, and I'll go through and clean up the Solitaire plants, the palm trees back there. And here's my Euphoria. That's one of the larger, taller ones growing. And here is my other plant called a bird of paradise, and it has like an orange flower. So with that in mind, we'll just back off here and say good night to the Dougherty Garden. This way you go inside and get a rest in. I have to concentrate on cleaning the front yard before I get written up by the HOA. It's such pain in the consisticus. Alright, so that's it. Please like the video. If you have any questions on any plants, anybody's looking for plants, I'm all ears. We'll be on a price, shipping priority, Federal Express, whatever you want. Let's try to figure it out. As long as I get paid, you get plants. Okay, bye-bye.